In this video, learn how to draw hair. Let's start by sketching the basic shape of the hair using an H pencil. Use a 2B pencil to create individual strands of hair, varying the length and direction. Use lighter pencils like 2 Hours or HB for highlights and to add dimension. Blend the strands using blending tools to create a smooth and realistic texture. Add shading and depth to the hair using a 4B or 6B pencil, focusing on darker areas. Use Mono Zero Eraser for creating highlights on the hair strands. It's a great technique for creating realistic look. Key tips: keep practicing and experimenting with different pencil grades to achieve the desired effect.